What's up guys, we are at Balico Automotive Design. Today I am dropping off the R32 to get painted and get some body work done. Why don't you leave in the comments, what color do you think I'm going to paint it? This is their info if you guys are ever in, if you guys need body work done in the North Jersey area, give them a call. I'm leaving you in good hands. Alright, so right now I'm back at Balico Automotive Design. We are about to pick up my car. They're still putting a few finishing touches on it. Let me take you inside and take a quick look at it. Alright guys, so this is essentially a finished product. There's still a few things that are missing. Like my roof wing still needs to get painted. Yeah, that's essentially what the car is going to look like. So what do you guys think of the color? What do you guys think of the body kit? Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys like the video. Catch you guys later.